Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Rohit Mishra and I'm a Dean at Lincoln American University. I have a message to the current Lincoln American University students that medical education is not easy. It's a long journey. I always say it's like a marathon. You need endurance, strategic spacing and resilience. Like a trainer or a marathon trainer train himself or herself for mentally and physically at the very same time, medical students should also train themselves mentally and physically. They should balance the academic stress and the mental well-being. So it is very important that you study, you come for the lecture, do the practical, do the hands-on training, but at a very same time you also maintain your mental health. It is very important to continue as a medical student. Thank you so much for listening to me. If you have any question, any concern, please reach out to us. Thank you so much. All the best.